Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to turn off camera watermark on any Poco phone. Now, if you open the camera app and if you take a picture with the camera app, just like that, you can see that it applies a watermark on the image. And if you want to disable this feature, just open the camera app. Now from here, just tap on the arrow icon at the top of your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the watermark icon. Now from here, tap on off. Now from here, if you take a photo, after disabling this option, the watermark would disappear from your photos. And this is how you can turn off camera watermark on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.